tablet manufacturing never stands still, and neither should your press. On the production floor, every second matters, and your operators need precision, flexibility, and efficiency in a machine they can trust. That's why Elizabeth engineered the EP200L, built for performance today and ready for the challenges of tomorrow. The EP200L is designed to optimize R&D and production with innovation, durability, and precision. Its rotary turret accepts B, BB, and D tooling, giving manufacturers the flexibility to run a wide range of formulations with consistent, high-quality results. With a maximum tablet diameter of up to 22 millimeters, fill depths reaching 18 millimeters, and outputs ranging as high as 18,000 tablets per hour, the EP200L delivers the capacity to meet your production demands with confidence. A reinforced cast iron turret with hardened die plate and steel frame ensures durability and stability, even under higher compression forces. Direct drive transmission eliminates power loss, while equal-sized 5-ton pre- and main compression rollers extend dwell time for stronger, more uniform tablets. Advanced powder feeding and precision weight control are delivered through a reversible double paddle force feeder with ACV-F drive, ensuring uniform filling and reliable output every run. And with GMP-compliant design, superior cleanability, and an intuitive touchscreen control panel, the EP200L helps your team stay efficient while maintaining the highest standards of quality. From durability to flexibility, every feature of the EP200L is engineered to support smooth, reliable production. The EP200L, world-class machinery, trusted engineering, and service you can count on. Connect with our experts now and start optimizing your production with the EP200L. Experience the difference, the Elizabeth difference.